These are the Radar Edge frames, and I will show you how to remove and reinstall the lens. So first thing you're going to do is take the top part of the frame and the same part of the lens, and you're going to pull them apart from each other and push down. This should remove half the lens. You do the same for the other side. You pull apart and push down. Now the whole lens is not removed completely. You're going to have to get the lens off of the nose piece, and you do so by pushing the underside of the lens and pushing the nose piece down just slightly. And the lens should pop out. Now to reinstall the lens, you're going to put the top part of it above the nose piece into the groove on the top part of the frame. You just insert it gently, and then you're going to slide the pieces and put it on the nose piece. There are grooves there to hold the lens. Next, you're going to take this part of the lens and slide it into its slot on the frame. Again, you just slide. And that's it.